Hello, and welcome to Curiosity Killed the Puss, a facts channel that covers intriguing mysteries of the world. From politics and the future of electric vehicles to the mysteries of the world and fascinating enigmas. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting and fast-paced world of futuristic transportation. Hyperloop technology. Hyperloop technology is an exciting new idea in transportation that could change how we travel over long distances. Introduced by Elon Musk in 2013, the concept involves sending passengers or goods through tubes at speeds up to 750 miles per hour using magnetic levitation. This technology makes the pods float, which cuts down on friction and helps them move very fast. Since Musk released his initial plans, companies like Hyperloop have worked to turn his vision into reality. They've even developed a special material called vibranium, made from carbon fiber with built-in sensors to check its condition and safety. The benefits of Hyperloop could be huge. It could make it possible for people to live far from where they work without facing long commutes, and it might help create cleaner, quieter cities. It's much faster than current trains and could replace some air travel, which is exciting. However, getting Hyperloop from an idea to actual use involves solving many technical and business challenges. Plus, it needs new rules and regulations because it's such a different kind of transportation system. Hyperloop TT is actively working on these regulatory issues, collaborating with safety and insurance experts to pave the way for Hyperloop's future. Despite these hurdles, the potential advantages of faster trips, lower environmental impact, and reshaping urban life make Hyperloop a technology worth watching as it develops further. Personal drones. Personal drones are a thrilling possibility for the future of transportation, particularly in urban areas. These unmanned flying machines could transport people or packages without needing a pilot. Their ability to take off and land vertically means they don't require large runways and can operate from small spaces like rooftops or parking lots, which is ideal for crowded cities. One of the major benefits of personal drones is their speed, as they fly above traffic rather than through it. This could be incredibly useful in emergencies where every second counts, or for delivering goods swiftly. Imagine ordering something online and having it delivered directly to your doorstep by a drone within minutes. This speed could be particularly beneficial for urgent deliveries such as medications or perishable goods. However, several challenges need addressing. Safety is the foremost concern, ensuring that these drones can safely transport people or delicate items. Noise and privacy issues also arise with drones operating near homes and businesses. Despite these challenges, personal drones have the potential to drastically alter how we navigate cities, offering a fast and efficient transportation method. As technology advances, we could soon see drones becoming a regular feature in our urban landscapes. What will cities look like when drones fill the skies? How will regulations evolve to ensure safety and privacy? These are questions that highlight the exciting yet complex path of integrating drones into everyday life. Other concepts. The future of transportation is packed with cool ideas that could change how we travel. Self-driving cars could make our roads safer and less busy. They use smart tech to talk to each other on the road, which can reduce accidents and traffic jams. With AI and sensors, these cars could make our daily drives easier and faster. Another significant development is maglev trains, which operate on a system of magnetic levitation. This technology enables the trains to float above the tracks, virtually eliminating the friction that slows down traditional rail vehicles. Because of this, maglev trains can reach incredible speeds of up to 375 miles per hour, making them much faster and more efficient than the trains most of us are used to. This speed could cut down travel times dramatically, making long-distance journeys quicker and more convenient. These innovations in transportation technology not only promise to enhance how we travel on a daily basis, but also pave the way for future advancements that could further streamline our transportation systems and reduce our environmental impact. Space travel is advancing rapidly with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin working on reusable rockets. This innovation lowers the cost of space travel, making it more accessible. This progress could eventually allow us to visit other planets and explore new star systems. These advancements could change how we live and revolutionize our travel from daily commutes to interplanetary trips. How will these technologies impact our everyday life? Transportation is changing fast with cool new things like Hyperloops, personal drones, self-driving cars, and space trips. These changes can make travel safer, faster, and let us visit new places. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and tell us what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.